Hi once again. In this tutorial we'll look at just a couple of additional features here in Diginetball. First of all, on the main menu screen, if you click on Authors for Digisport and click on Joyce Brown, for example, you'll get information on one of Australia's greatest ever netball coaches in Joyce Brown. Her background in coaching and playing is quite remarkable. Returning to the author screen, clicking on Vicki Wilson, once again, Vicki, without doubt, has a reputation as one of Australia's greatest ever netball players, and once again, some of her achievements are listed on this page. Returning to the main menu once again, and going to one of the drills in the menu, there's another button up here that says Quotes. If you click on Quotes, Diginetball also has a number of motivational quotes, and again this menu allows you to access quotes on different topics. For example, clicking on Attitude will access 38 various motivational quotes dealing with attitude. You can go to Confidence, for example. Here's another 11 quotes, and the author, the person responsible for the quotes, is shown up above on the top left hand side. Goal setting and so on. You can print out any one of these quotes. For example, go to Success. If that particular motivational quote is something that tickles your fancy, hit the Print Quotes button, and again from the print dialog box hit the print button, and you'll print out a A4 page with that particular motivational quote on. You can print out and put on a classroom wall or perhaps a clubroom wall. Getting back out of that then, and once again closing quotes, getting back to the main screen, there's a couple of other features here we haven't looked at before. If you click on Requirements, for example, that Requirements will just access what is required to perform this particular drill with a group of players you may have. Not that important at this stage, because when you print this particular drill out, those requirements will also be printed out on the A4 page. A drill key, if you're having any trouble whatsoever understanding what all the bits and pieces are in the diagrams, then clicking on the drill key, there's an explanation of what all the arrows, diagrams and bits and pieces in the diagrams actually represent. Diginetball also has an inbuilt help system. Click on the yellow Help button, and that'll access a new menu that takes you to various help screens. For example, clicking on the diagram page, you will see a picture now with little explanations as to what each of the buttons on that particular diagram screen, what each of the buttons will do. In all honesty, the tutorial that we're looking at now is probably more helpful than the inbuilt help system. However, it's there for your use, and if at any stage you want to look at, for example, the index search page and explain exactly what that does, you can do that by going to your help menu.